Welcome back to Zackus. I'm so glad you joined me for another video. I've got a really quick video for you today. It's all about the Gosund smart plug. It is a brand new, not brand new, but it's brand new to me. It's a smart Wi-Fi smart plug, runs off an app. Great for Christmas time, but great for any time of the year. You can plug lamps into this, Christmas trees, garland, light strips, pretty much anything that you need to come on, sound machines, anything that you need to come on a schedule or be able to turn on remotely. You can set timers. You can change the timers per day if you want it to come on at different times every day or all week, whatever you're going out of town. You can also control it with Alexa and Google Home. So if you use those, it works really well. I've used smart plugs for years, and I just want to get into this one and see if it's the best one out of all the ones I've used. So here we go. Everything is right below, always in the description, right below the video in your mobile and desktop. Anything I talk about, so you can find the link to this and find out how to buy it or at least learn more about it. The app is super easy. You just open it up, sign up for an account, and then you just say you're gonna install a smart plug. They give you a lot of options. They have a lot of different products. You just pick the first one, the smart plug, and it just simply is so easy. It looks on the network, finds the device, and it asks you for your Wi-Fi. It asks you for your Wi-Fi password, and boom, it's connected. Then you just set up the schedule and tell it when to come on, when to go off, all that stuff. And then you just plug in your device and you're off to the races and going. It's really simple, really fast, super smooth. And I'm just really shocked at how easy it was to set up. I just decided this year to switch all over to one type because I had mixtures of Wemo and another kind and then this one, and I had to go into 3 different apps to schedule things, and then I had to set up Alexa and Google Home to connect to all these. And that's another thing, if you have Alexa, you will need to go into your app, go to your all devices or down to your menu, and then go to skills and search for the skill. It's called Gosund. So you'll just find that skill, enable it. It'll ask you to log in with the same login that you signed up with your app account for this, and then it'll connect it, and then Alexa will find all of them. Google Home finds them automatically, but if it doesn't, you can go into that app. You can go into the skills section there and add that in, and it'll find these right away. And then you can group them. I grouped Alexa into Christmas, so that I could turn all my Christmas lights on with just like Alexa turn Christmas on or off. And then Google, you can go in and set up a routine. So when it comes up, you just go to routines and you just add a routine and say, this is what I want to do, say turn Christmas on, and you pick the devices that you've named. And you can name these really simple in the Gosund app and call it like Christmas tree, garland, upstairs tree, whatever you want to do. And then you can just go through and add those into the routine. So every time you say Christmas on, it will just turn all those on or off and set up another routine to go off. So regardless of what you use there, easy to do. Of course, you can always just go into the Gosund app and turn them all off. Super easy there. I know this video is super quick, super simple. There's just not a lot to talk about here. It really just works pretty simply. You're basically plugging something in to a Wi-Fi device that is connected to the cloud, and it is deciding based on what your settings are in its app when to come on, when to go off, with the schedule you set. Or maybe you don't need a schedule. Maybe you just open the app, tell it to turn on, and maybe you just want to say, Alexa, turn the living room lamp on. Whatever it may be, these things work. They're super cheap and they last a long time. I've had some for 5 years, 6 years. They're really great. So again, check the link down in the description below. Let me know if you've used some smart plugs or what your comments are. Ask questions, subscribe to the channel. Love to be a part of this channel. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. I will catch you in the next video. Peace.